combination. The lion stands for kingly power, stands for wisdom, stands for victory. The minute uThixo ekhupha uJuda azile amaSirayeli ukuthi we have the victory. So hlule, so yisi. It is not to go awanikela esandleni sikaJuda amaPharisee. Bakhona abanikelwayo esandleni sakho. Bakhona abanikelwayo esandleni selion. Bakhona ababekulandela. Bakhona bebekufuna. Abakhona bebezolwa nawe. Abakhona bebekwakhela amayelekeni. Kodwa ngoba uvelile uJuda. Uvelile uJuda. It is that go wabanikela. Wabanikela. Khawudlule mama okay.
Bawabulala eBhezeki amadoda angamawaka alishumi. Verse 5. U-Adoni waseBhezeki bamfumana eBhezeki.
Amela ndikulandela into ngo-Adoni. U-Adoni ucela ningaphazamisa. U-Adoni is the king of Bezeki. And this king, look how he was operating. This king was targeting the other kings.
Hallelujah.
And eThakatha ezinye inkosi ebeba namalungu awakhethayo apha emzimbeni wawo. Ebengazibulali ngendlela eqhelekileyo. Kodwa ebesuswa phonsi. Awugqiba uAdoni asuse iminwe into leminwe. Asuse inzwane. Iminwe yenyama. Yenyawo. Awugqiba uAdoni akuyeke. Awugqiba akuyeke uAdoni angabulali. Ukususa ophonsi. Awugqiba uAdoni akususa inzwane. Akaba akuyeke kube yiking. Akuyeke uhlale ehlalweni. Ube yikumkani. But ube yikumkani engena phonsi. Ube yikumkani engena toes. Ube yikumkani ebonayo, ube yikumkani evayo, ube yikumkani ethethayo, ube yikumkani esmelayo, ube yikumkani enezandla, kodwa izandla ezingaphelelanga.
Jesus. Hallelujah.
The spirit of Adon. The force of Adon. Now, the lion is approaching Adon. Mamela, ususwa ophonsi. What are the benefits zophonsi kuwe? Is to balance. Is to balance. For the stabilization. Uzinzo. Uzinzo. Ophonsi benzo uzinzo. Xa ungenabo ophonsi awunazi awukwazi ukuzinza. Akukho ukuzinza. And ophonsi bezandla. Uyabona uAdoni into ayenza bayibakhupha ophonsi. Ukwenza into kokubana when the blessing comes they can't catch it.
Jesus. Jesus.
Msebenzi kaAdoni. I-blessing ziyahla. Futhi uzibona uyibona nansi i-blessing. Bathi awukwazi ukubamba.
Jesus.
Iyaphumuka so ngathi uyayibamba. Pause.
Oh, Jesus.
The spirit of Adon. The spirit of Adon. Sithi sekufuneka sibambe izinto zikaThixo. When you are to all the words. Uthi uyalibamba ilizwi. Khani khangela into mani khani incede. Ibani fast. Ngibisela. Uthi uyalibamba ilizwi. Uthi usithi hayi man. And if you never to keep on the seat, and something said, but the spirit of Adon is there. The spirit of Adon is there. Adon uyakile waphila. Adon uyakile wakhona. But when I make sure, when I show, what is coming to you, you are not going to hold it. The spirit of Adam. We are here to destroy that. We are here to destroy that. Mamela, izinto zethu masingajikendele. Masingafiki isiphinde sihambe. We are here to destroy that. Izwi kaThixo masingalibambi isiphinde silibambe. Kwani kamoya izandla zethu sinqunyula phonsi ibandla. The reason lingamili, the reason lingasinthi is because of the spirit of Adon. Adon yabayeka abazalwane babe khona, but ababambe kule nto yokuthi bazalive izwi likaThixo, but ngomso basalasa. Ngizobablessa, bazayibona ifika iblessing kodwa isuke ikibilike. Bayibona bengayibona. Zobanika imali, bazani ngoba iphetheyo bangayiboni, bathethe njengehlabathi. Athi imali yethu iphelele ezandleni. Imali yekholo iphela njani imali yekholo ezandleni? Because the spirit of Adon is there, but we don't recognize it. We don't recognize it. But Judah targeted u-Adon eBezeki. uJudah walwa neBezeki, but after elwile